First, head over to the official website, download the free version, run the installer, follow the prompts. It's super easy, personal. Guard the browser. This process depended on your internet speed. After finishing the installation, it will open a new tab to run the extension. Then click Open Malware. Next, next. Click on the settings. Enable the block suspicion top level domains. Enable verbose logging for debugging purposes. Let's test our extension. It blocked some trackers from Google. And here's a static graphic.